Hello YouTube, and this is another fitness watch review video, but this time we're unboxing the watch. This is Balls Unicorn Gaming, and let's jump right in. Alright, so I picked this watch up at Walmart. I'm sure any Walmart carries this brand. I mean, I didn't want to have to wait. These my other watch just broke. And I really like these fitness watches. They're really good for if you're trying to lose weight like I am. But let's jump right in and let's see what's inside. I'm trying to unbox it real quick. Doing this with one hand, so. Oh heck. Comes with a little charging cord, looks like. So like my other fitness watch, it was a USB charger. You just plug it into any USB anywhere. So if I lose this charger, I might have to go find another one or buy another one. This was like a little pamphlet. I guess this tells you how to use it. Looks like something I could get into. Oh, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. I didn't know that. Because I bought a 3-year protection plan with Walmart. That's probably one of the best things. I mean, it was $5 extra. One of the best things I could, get for this watch. But since my other one broke prematurely, I only had it for a month. But my other watch was a More Pro. I paid $60 for it. This is $49.89 or 88. $49.88 is what I paid for it. But after taxes and the 5-year or the 3-year protection plan for $5, that's what it came out to. $59.41. But looks like this might be a decent watch. I was looking to see which watch I wanted to pick for the price range. And this one looked like it might be a pretty good deal. I just hope it fits around my wrist. It's got a little QR code, another little quick start guide pamphlet. And here is the actual watch. I guess I opened it up backwards. What do you know? The band feels really nice. Feels really comfortable actually. Like this feels better than my other band that I had on my other watch. The material that this little piece is made out of feels better than the other material on the other watch. So this looks pretty nice. I like the way it looks. Yeah, I guess that's a plus. I guess that's a little heart rate monitor on it. I've been wanting a smartwatch, and I wanted a good smartwatch. I didn't want something that was garbage. Like that last one I bought, it just was no comparison to the way this one looks. Or it presents itself anyways. It's supposed to be like water resistant up to like 3 meters, I think. Let's peel off this little sticker. Oh wow, that looks nice. That looks nice for $40. The band feels nice. overall, this watch feels nice. See how to turn it on. Already got smudges on it. Guess this is the setup. Oh, it's a touchscreen. Oh, crap. No, I did not want to change it to Chinese. Well, that's crazy. I accidentally changed it to Chinese. Trying to turn the watch back off. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of Chinese. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep this watch and do another review on it in a month, or maybe here in about a week, and see where it stands. Because I'm a plumber, so it works. It's gonna be around a bunch of wet conditions for sure. So we'll test that waterproof aspect of this. Like I said, the box was pretty cool for a watch. I guess it's got some sort of, for like exercises, lightweight and comfortable. That's what I wanted, really. Something that was really comfortable. This other one was, the other watch I had was really bulky. And it was a fitness band too, but I was trying to find other cheaper options instead of having to go out and get a Fitbit. But I really would like to get a Fitbit Versa 2. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys. I'll talk to y'all later.